Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. In our last session, we have discussed third lesson. The name of the lesson is Why Did Seema Fall? In that lesson, we have learnt about Seema. We discussed about Seema and her room. Seema is a girl. She has many toys and her room is very small. She had a bed, a table and chair in her room. Her bed car is blue color as well as her curtains are also blue in color, and she has thrown her shoes, one on the chair and then the other shoe under the bed, and she has thrown her toys, that is she had 4 car toys. She thrown the 4 car toys on the bed, as well as she has thrown her books on the bed and she thrown her bag on the floor, and all the things were here and there. Everything was fell down. She likes playing with the toys very much. After playing, she won't put all the items back in their place. So her room seems to be very dirty, that is untidy. Her room is not at all clean. One day what happened? She will run into her room. As she ran into the room, she tripped at the bag and she fall on the floor. She fall down. As soon as she fall down, what happened? She got a hurt on her elbow. So blood is coming out from the elbow. So as she got hurt, she started crying. So when we fall down, what happened? We will get pain. So she is also getting pain. For that she was crying. And the question was asked by the author that what should Seema do so that she may not fall down? What should she has to do, children? She has to put all the items back in their place, so that if she keeps her room clean and neat, she may not fall down. That's what we have discussed in the last session. Children, today we will learn the hard words of the lesson Why Did Seema Fall, as well as the bits, textbook bits also we will learn. So before learning the hard words as well as the grammar bits, I'll show you the video of the lesson Why Did Seema Fall? Watch and understand the lesson, children.
Why did Seema fall? This is Seema's room. It is a small room. It has a bed, a chair, and a desk. The curtains are blue. The bed cover is also blue. Seema's room is untidy. Her school bag is on the floor. Her books are lying on the bed. One shoe is on the chair. Where is the other shoe? It is under the bed. Seema has many toys. She has a toy train. She has a teddy. Seema has 4 toy cars. She has building blocks. Seema likes to play with her toys, but she does not put them back. The blocks are on the floor. The toy train is on the table. The toy cars are on the bed. Where is the teddy? The teddy is in the bookshelf. Seema runs into the room. She trips on her bag and falls. She hurts her elbow. She starts crying. What should Seema do so that she does not fall again?
Okay, how was the video? Hope you all enjoyed and understood the lesson clearly, children. Okay, now we will learn the hard words. Lesson 3. Why did Seema fall? First bit, hard words. Here the first one is Seema. S-E-E-M-A, Seema. Come on, read along with me, children. Second adverb, small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Third one, chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Fourth one, bed cover. B-E-D, bed. C-O-V-E-R, cover. Bed cover. And the fifth adverb, children, teddy. T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. And sixth one, untidy. U-N-T-I-D-Y, untidy. And the seventh adverb, lying. L-Y-I-N-G, lying. L-Y-I-N-G, lying. And the eighth adverb, bookshelf. B-O-O-K, book. S-H-E-L-F, shelf. Bookshelf. Ninth adverb, children, crying. C-R-Y-I-N-G, crying. Tenth one, elbow. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. 11th one, trips. T-R-I-P-S, trips. And the last 12th adverb, building blocks. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G, building blocks. B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. Shall we read the adverbs once again, children? Come on, you also read along with me. First one, Seema. S-E-E-M-A, Seema. Second one, small. S-M-A-L-L. Third one, chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Fourth one, bed cover. B-E-D, bed. C-O-V-E-R, cover, bed cover. Fifth one, teddy. T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. And sixth one, untidy. U-N-T-I-D-Y, untidy. Seventh one, lying. L-Y-I-N-G, lying. And eighth one, bookshelf. B-O-O-K, book. S-H-E-L-F, bookshelf. Ninth one, crying. C-R-Y-I-N-G, crying. Tenth one, elbow. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. 11th one, trips. T-R-I-P-S, trips. And the last 12th one, building blocks. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G, building. B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks, building blocks. Okay, children. First one, adverb Seema. Second, small. Third, chair. Fourth, bed cover. Fifth, teddy. Sixth, untidy. Seventh, lying. Eighth, bookshelf. Ninth, crying. 10th, elbow. 11th, trips. 12th, building blocks. These are the 12 adverbs, children. Now next we'll discuss the textbook bits. First bit is comprehension. In comprehension, bit A, click and choose the correct words. So you have to choose the correct word here. Okay. Now here the first question is, Seema has a dash room. Big room or small room? The answer is small. Seema has a small room. Now second one, the bed cover is which color, children? What is the bed cover color? Red or blue? It's blue. So circle blue, children. You have to circle the correct option. So the bed cover is blue. So here the bed cover is blue in color. Circle blue, children. Now third question. Seema's room is untidy or clean? How Seema's room is, children? Seema's room is untidy. So circle untidy. And the fourth question, children. One shoe is on the. One shoe is on the. Options are bed, chair. So one shoe is under the bed and the other shoe is on the chair. So circle chair. Okay. Now next last question, children. Seema has many or few toys? How many toys she has? Many toys or few toys, children? Seema has many toys. So option many is the correct answer. Circle option many. So here the first question is, once we'll read the question and answer, children. Seema has a small room. The bed cover is blue. Seema's room is untidy. One shoe is on the chair. Seema has many toys. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next bit, children. Bit B. Seema runs into the room. What happens next? Number the sentences. So here 3 sentences are given. When Seema runs into the room, what happened? So put these 3 sentences in order. So give number. What is the first sentence? Which one is the second sentence? And which one is the third sentence? Here the sentences are: she hurts her elbow. She starts crying. She trips on her back and falls. So what is the first sentence, children? When she runs into the room. When she runs into the room, here third sentence is number 1. That is, she trips on her back and falls. And when she falls, what happened? She hurts her elbow. So first sentence is number 2. She hurts her elbow. When she got a hurt, she starts crying. Now the middle one is number 3. So here Seema runs into the room. She trips on her back and falls. She hurts her elbow. She starts crying. This is the correct form of the sentences, correct order of the sentences. So look at the answers once again. 2, 3, 1. Okay. Now with this we'll close today's session. In today's session we have revised the lesson as well as we watched the video of the lesson. Then we learned the hard words and we discussed bit A and B of the lesson. Bit A and bit B of the lesson. Why did Seema fall? With this we'll close today's session, children. Coming to the homework. Today your homework is learn and write first bit hard words in your notebook as well as write bit A and B in your textbook. Write hard words in your notebook and complete bit A and B in your textbook. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.